Canine cough, often referred to as kennel cough, can strike any dog, usually due to a viral or bacterial infection. While some dogs may exhibit a mild cough, others could develop severe respiratory issues. It's crucial to identify the cause, ranging from infectious agents to allergens, to determine the best course of treatment. Diagnosis often requires a veterinary visit, where X-rays or blood work may be performed. Fortunately, many cases resolve with rest and support, though severe instances might require antibiotics or cough suppressants. Understanding these signs and treatments can help pet owners act swiftly and ensure their furry companions stay healthy.